how to clean a dryer vent for the first time. So if you're a homeowner, you're a first time homeowner, you never did this before, but you want to save money on doing homeowner stuff by saving money, this is one of the easiest things to do. But you just gotta be careful for the first time. You know, it can save you hundreds of dollars. Okay? First, you have to locate this is a dryer vent. For those of you that don't know, it goes from that's a dryer vent. You have a gas line, and over here. Okay? The first thing you want to do is unplug the dryer from power. Okay? You unplug the dryer, and then next thing you do is shut up the gas valve. So just so prevent from any gas leak or anything like that, you just gotta shut off the gas valve. Okay? So gas valve is over here, and then you shut it off. All right. The next thing you want to do is move the dryer up from the wall. If your dryer is linked to the wall, you just gotta move your dryer out from the wall, and then locate the connection between the vent to the dryer. So you're gonna need a flathead screwdriver to loosen this part off. Okay, so I'm gonna show you how to do that. Basically, you got a flathead screwdriver. So you got a flathead screwdriver, and then loosen this part of the vent. So you loosen that part off from the dryer. So you slowly remove the vent. Slowly remove the vent, you see? It's a very easy job. But you just gotta be careful so you don't break the vent. So you do the same thing. Some of you guys have like a foil tape. So all you do is remove the foil tape. Slowly. And then after you remove the foil tape, it's gonna be the same. You're gonna need the same flathead screwdriver to remove that screw off also. Yeah, so what do you do after you loosen the screw off? You slowly remove it from the vent, okay? So mine is not really that dirty because I never cleaned it before. I just moved into this house about 4 years ago. And you should be cleaning this every twice a month. Twice a year, every 6 months. You should be cleaning this all the time to prevent fire. So it's very easy job to do. You don't have to pay hundreds of dollars. You can basically spend $10 on buying the tape and buying the brush and cleaning it off. So all you gotta do is put in the brush in there and clean it, or use a vacuum and vacuum inside. So you take this outside and clean it off. So basically, you can go to Home Depot or Lowe's, get a brush like this. They also called basically a dry vent brush, or if you can't find one, you can use a refrigerator brush to clean cars. So what you do is you basically take the brush and then clean in between the vents inside the dryer, just like this. Alright, and then do the same thing up here. See all this debris are falling out? So you do the same thing here. Yeah, after the brush, you can basically use any kind of vacuum that you have. It's a home vacuum or shock vac, whatever you have, and then just vacuum around the spot behind the dryer and then inside the dryer, and then so you take the vacuum. Basically, you take the vacuum. and inspect the pipe for any crack or breaking.